Hello everybody, and welcome to another video by Trendi Switch. Today here we have the ART-SKT213 USB in Plum. Alright, so as you can see on the front here, it has 4 USB type A's, and you have two 13 amp sockets on the front there. So it's basically like getting 6 products in one. All right, let's take our scissors and let's open it up. Oops. Okay, so inside each bag, you'll get your product. You'll get a set of screws, which will be able to fit into any universal pattress box, and a set of instructions, which I'll show you in a second. First, let's just take a look at the product. It'll give you a quick 360 view here. Okay, and then let's take the plate off. Very simple. With your fingers, grab onto the corner and push forward with your palm. Repeat the process on the other side, and it'll pop off nice and easy, just like that. Okay, so on the front here, you'll see there's the 2 screw holes here. That's where the screws will fit into to fasten to the pattress box. Okay, flip it on over to its side here, and you'll see that you'll need at least a 47mm depth pattress box so that there's enough room for this to fit and the wires. You'll see at the top here that it's BS and CE certified. And you'll also notice that you'll need to do a bridging system here, which is very common in Europe, so that you can get full power to the USBs. So the cool thing about these guys is, let's say you got your home redecorated and the old plates don't match anymore. No problem. You can just pick up a new one, clip that onto the front just like that, and now you match again. All right, let's take that off. Get the old one on. Oh. There we go. All right, and then let's just take a quick little look at our instruction leaflet. On the one side, you'll see a whole bunch of different social medias, which you can go on over there, give us a like and a follow. We would greatly appreciate it. On the other side, you'll see multiple ways that you can contact us, either via email, phone number, or live messenger. Also on the bottom right-hand corner, you'll see the Scan Me QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our instructional page to give you tips and tricks on how to install the sockets and switches. Okay, let's take a quick little look at the bag here. So on the bottom here, you'll see our SKU code, the ART-SKT213USBPL for Plum. Okay, you'll see our barcode there, and then you'll see our QR code in the top left-hand corner. You scan that, it'll take you directly to our Trendi website, where you can see the full range of Trendi products. If you flip it on over, you'll see in the bottom right-hand corner here, it has the recycling symbol. So you know this packaging is completely recyclable. Okay, if you like videos like that, please don't forget to comment down below as to what you'd like us to do next. Leave us a like, and also it would be great if you subscribed and make sure that bell notification is turned on so you can stay up to date with everything trendy. All right, have a trendy day.